Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. A little while ago I put on a downpipe and it needs adjusted because it seems like it's hitting a cross member, and I want to go through and check the bolts, make sure everything's tight, nothing's leaking. And I haven't checked engine light on because it's a catless downpipe. And so we are going to be taking the rear O2 sensor out and putting in these spark plug non-foulers. But we got to do some work to them and drill out the end so that the O2 sensor can fit in it. And you put the other one on, and then we'll put it on the downpipe. And I think that might be it that we're doing today. If we have time, we'll be doing a little other things, putting a vacuum line on, the some pose or delete, and hopefully we can get enough clear footage of under the car of what I'm doing so that you can be able to see. So yeah, we're gonna go on a time lapse and jack up the car and get it on stands and get it ready. So we'll see you when that's done. I'm just taking this cover off for now.
Wow, I'm not gonna be able to disconnect this one.
So now that we got that out of the way, we need to do this clamp up here, get this off or loosened so I can adjust it. I don't know if you can see it anymore or not. Yeah. I'm just going by feeling. Twisting this wire out in there. Alright, now that this is out, we have to oh, dang it. Anyway, we need to drill out the non-foulers. Let's get you some light so that this fits in the end of it. So we can get out from under here. Money shot. Alright, so I've never done this before, but I don't even know if I have the right size drill bit, but we'll figure something out. So you gotta, this is a little bit loose in there. I think it has to be about the same size. So we're just gonna drill this out and try it and see what happens and see if it fits. If not, then we'll have to ream it out somehow. Alright, so I don't have a drill bit big enough to drill it out big enough for the O2 sensor, so I got this, well, we're too lazy to go get a bigger drill bit because it's like a half-hour drive, so I'm going to ream it out. And I got this socket because the O2 sensor is still plugged in under the car, and this socket needs to fit inside of there. It's about the same size as the O2 sensor, so we're just going to slowly ream this out until it fits, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So alright, so that did not go as planned. I ended up ruining it. So I was going to weld it together, and I took it over to my welding bench and went to weld it, and I'm out of wire, so it looks like we're going to pick some up. So we got welding wire, and we ended up welding the pieces together. It's not real pretty, but it'll hold and seal. And I'm gonna put this on here now. Alright, so because it's hitting on that shield and it needs a little more room, we need to adjust the downpipe. So, now that everything is clear, that's tight in there. So then all we have to do is tighten up this nut and put everything back together. And done. Alright guys, we just got everything done with the exhaust, and we are going to see if we can turn or erase the code so the engine light will go out. So the only test to test it is to drive it and see if the engine light comes back on. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and whenever you subscribe, click the little bell so you get notifications when more videos come out. And yep, we'll see you on the next one.